Come. Will you watch where you go? Where's my phone? My phone! Where is my phone?
Phone Swap was actually a story that, you know, came as a brief from, you know, an advertising agency who wanted to do a film that captures age 15 to 45, you know, in Nigeria. And I think they got the brief from, you know, a multinational company, you know, a telecom company. They're looking to do a film that can have most of their product placed, you know, and still, you know, come out with good entertainment value.
Well, I don't know. I find Nigerians are very predisposed to humor. That's my observation, you know. And you can find two Nigerian people arguing on the street. I'm going to slap you, and idiot, get out of the way. Next minute, somebody makes a joke. Everybody's laughing.
Comedy is a genre that requires talent. You know, you, apart from your own ability as a director, you also need fantastic actors who can actually, you know, pull it off. And when this script came, I was looking for those talents that will not have to stress themselves, those talents that, you know, naturally, you know, can do justice or would do justice to the role. Which was what led me to the caliber of actors that we used in this film. You know, starting from Nse, whom, you know, I met, you know, even outside of Nigeria. And when I met her, I didn't even know she was an actress until she was introduced.
I got auditioned under the most peculiar circumstances. I had met Kunle Afolayan, the director, in the Berlin Film Festival, and it was on the social, you know, we're drinking, and he said, you knew? I'm like, yes. That's okay, I heard about you, but, and that was it. So we just literally just had fun. And
Alex, I'd like to travel for a few days.
No, please. I mean, this is our busiest period. I need
And
embroidery.
we were just having a general conversation, and while chatting, all I was seeing in her was this character in this film, you know, which was why I pitched it to her, and I asked if it's something she would be interested in being part of.
The next time I met him was when I went for a weekend in Ghana, and I was laughing. And he goes, that's the laughter that I need. And I'm like, what are you on about? He goes, in his words, you go fit carry dreadlocks. You go fit carry dada rather. I'm like, well, why not? If it's a character, why can't I? And he said, okay, make we the look. That's all he said.
Oh,
sorry.
Thank you.
Hey.
No,
why?
I'm expecting a very important call. Eh? My market is from Italy.
Honey, when are you coming home? Your food is getting cold.
Hey.
We actually spoke to quite a number of actors, and when Wale just surfaced, and he was auditioned, and reluctantly I decided to have Wale, but sincerely, I don't think I've ever worked with any actor who is as disciplined as Wale Ojo.
Yes, Mommy, kill a Shebi was my buy yes already.
I have made it clear you are never to call me on my business phone.
The character was just a very serious character. He didn't laugh a lot. In fact, he didn't laugh till the end of the movie. You know, because that's how the director wanted it. You know, he wanted him to be very serious.
What do
you
you
know.
plan to do?
Yeah, in a way, he's kind of mean. You know, he's a businessman. No jokes, no time for. You know, very, very different from me, from Wale Ojo.
Shut up and put him on.
Akin is not here right now.
Kwasi, I said if I count to 0.
Of course, because of my own style and ideology, I like to blend the old school and the new school and all of that, which was why we decided to get originally it was Sam Loco, may he so rest in peace, you know, one of our fathers, Sam Loco, who was originally casted to play Nse's father. But like a week or two to the shoot, you know, the man passed on, which was why we dedicated the film to, you know, to him. I mean, he so really rest in peace. And you know, we looked around, and the other person who came to mind was Chief Zebudaya, you know, Chika Okpala.
Mary, Jesus will. Hey!
Ada Amen has done a lot of Nollywood film, you know, but I mean, she's very good at what she does. She's done a lot of comedy.
Sit down. I'm coming later. Cynthia, think of your...
Excuse me, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, how many hours to Nnamdi Azikiwe Owerri?
Owerri?
Yes.
This flight is for Abuja.
It will surprise a lot of people that we didn't shoot that in the plane. We actually built the set. From the beginning, you know, thank God for the likes of Padnebo, you know, and Yinka Edward and, you know, Alfred, you know, who were the, you know, the head of, you know, crew. And, you know, on the set, yes, we worked a lot, and really kudos to all the crew, you know, that took part in this filming, you know, from the DP to, you know, and also the Badagry community. We got a lot of, you know, good reception from the people in Badagry. And I remember that we at some point, you know, we ran out of funds and we broke shoots. Then we went back to location, which was when we shot the plane interior. And that falls on my birthday, and we had a swell time, you know, on that day, and, you know, everybody party, you know, right after. And I'm just looking forward to working with everybody again.